Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets and gear.
Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras with the GoPro Max, hailed as the best GoPro Dash Cam available in the market.
Let's see what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. The GoPro Max isn't your ordinary action camera. It's a powerhouse of versatility, combining traditional hero-style filming with immersive 360-degree capabilities. Whether you're hitting the road or capturing your wildest adventures, this camera has you covered from all angles. Let's talk about the features that make the GoPro Max a must-have for any enthusiast. First up, its seamless blend of 360-degree filming and traditional camera functions. With the ability to switch between modes effortlessly, you can capture unique and captivating footage like never before.
But what about durability?
Well, fear not. The GoPro Max is designed to withstand the elements.
Its waterproof capabilities mean you can take it anywhere, from surfing to diving to even out in the rain.
Rain or shine, this camera keeps on performing. Now, let's talk about image quality. The GoPro Max delivers stunning visuals, whether you're shooting traditional videos or immersive 360-degree footage. Colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and the stabilization is top-notch, giving you smooth, professional-looking shots every time. But what about usability? Well, the GoPro Max is as user-friendly as it gets. With its intuitive design and responsive touchscreen interface, even beginners can start capturing amazing footage right out of the box. And let's not forget about battery life. With its rechargeable battery and quick recharging time, you don't have to worry about missing out on any action. Whether you're out for a quick ride or an all-day adventure, the GoPro Max has the stamina to keep up with you. So, there you have it, the GoPro Max, the best GoPro Dash Cam on the market. With its versatility, durability, and stunning image quality, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to capture their adventures like never before. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews, and as always, happy filming!